Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford Fusion Hybrid. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 44 miles per gallon in the city, and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.